Customer's looking to get an estimate to have some work done on their front step, and then also a bid for a patio for later. So first of all, the patio that we're going to bid on over here, this is going to be a separate line item. It's 10.5 feet by 15 feet. So the 10.5 feet is 3 feet out from the step over, and then it curves in. It's 15 feet left to right. 10.5 feet includes a planter in the back side here. So it basically comes off this this wall right here and goes along this this area right here and goes back in. So we'll go ahead and do edge rock for that as well. So let's call it 18 linear feet of edge rock. So 10.5 by 15, and we're going to bid it with laurel stone. And just as a quick point of reference, it's going to have a curve to it. We're just going to curve this side over here. We don't need to get too crazy. We don't need to sketch up. This is just some budgetary numbers, because they're actually going to be redoing the foundation to their house this year. So the patio is for a future time. All right. What they need to get done right now, unfortunately, is just some quick tuck pointing on their steps. So there's some joints that are breaking free. We need to take out this joint along here. It's mostly broken free, and tuck point it, and then just kind of seal up some of these joints as well. It's just going to be our minimum charge. You can see a little bit over here. I don't see too much on their buttresses here. A little hole at the bottom right there, a couple holes in here. But for the most part, yeah, if we just do our typical minimum charge for the tuck pointing, we should be good to go. We need to give recommendations for a railing company. Obviously, Anchor Iron is who we're going to recommend for that. And then also put the Patio Town's their address for down in the Burnsville one. And recommend the sealant. It's Sherbond sealant for their steps, because they want to seal it after it gets... they're going to pressure wash it, because you can see it's really dirty up top, but they're going to pressure wash it, and then they're going to seal it. They just want to know where to go to get it. So yeah, so like I said, the minimum charge for the tuck point in here, and then the patio on the side is a separate line item.